Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account. If you need to turn it off, follow these steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the main screen for Android or the bottom right corner for iPhone to access the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Navigate to Account. In the Settings menu, tap on Account. This section contains all the security and privacy settings related to your WhatsApp account. Step 4. Select two-step verification. Within the account settings, find and tap on two-step verification. This will take you to the settings where you can manage your two-factor authentication. Step 5. Disable two-step verification. Tap on Disable to turn off two-step verification. You may be prompted to enter your 6-digit PIN to confirm the action. Once confirmed, two-factor authentication will be turned off. After following these steps, two-factor authentication will no longer be active on your WhatsApp account. Always remember to keep your account secure and consider re-enabling two-factor authentication in the future for added protection.